the all variants of normal volume indicator, which is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to learn about the functionality and operation of the indicator. From the navigator section, select the indicator file and drag it onto the chart to run the indicator. Once the indicator is running on the chart, an oscillator window will appear at the bottom of the chart. The all variants of normal volume indicator is a special and practical tool for identifying trend strength and the strength of candles in the market. By using this indicator, traders can assess the strength of the trend and, in the event of a trend reversal, be alerted to the change in trend. In this section, we can see that the oscillator line has moved above the threshold level, and on the chart, two strong bearish candles have formed. After that, in the oscillator section, we see that the oscillator line has moved downward toward the threshold level, which indicates a decrease in volume and average in the market. And here, a divergence has occurred, which could have allowed us to identify the trend reversal in the market and enter an upward trend. As we can see here, the trend has changed and shifted from bearish to bullish. In the settings section under the input tab, we have several options. In the first part, we can select the type of volume, which includes two modes, tick volume and real volume. In the Forex market, we have tick volume, and if we have access to real volume, we can also use the real volume option for other symbols. In the next section, we can select the moving average method. There are various types of averaging methods available here, including SMA, EMA, SMMA, LWMA, and others. We can choose how the averaging is calculated from these options. In the next input, you can set the averaging period, which is set to 12 by default. And in the last input, it takes into account the time frame, quality, and the amount of smoothing. Alright friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. I'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comment section.